the shirt which I'm wearing, it you can see, these are all printed with hand block printing.
Block printing is teaching you the first thing like imperfections.
What it is hand block printing is all about.
It's the oldest textile art form that dates back to 2000-year-old.
I miss India.
I forgot, we have a mother-in-law. We need to start with you.
I think it's going to look too bizarre than this one. Wow.
Yeah, that's precious.
I'm sending this to my son.
Another trick of using two colors. You can actually play around.
The sun is amazing.
Beautiful, colorful Indian craft.
Indicrafts.
Welcome to my channel, Roaming Devi. Today I am at a beautiful place in Cape Town, which is called Eden on the Bay. You can see the beautiful sea beach next to me. What it is hand block printing is all about. Hand block, it's very simple. You have to use certain block. The block is made of a wood, and you use that block to print various clothes. Now the significance is why I'm bringing this piece of architecture or design into this video, and that too in Cape Town, because the hand block printing is actually very famous in India, and that is a place called Jaipur in the Rajasthan state of Rajasthan. So that's where the importance is there. But now you are asking me, then what is the fun? I'm saying sharing this in Cape Town. It's about Indian things. So a shop called Indicraft, which is in Eden on the Bay. I'm just walking there. There, the proprietor of the Indicraft shop. So she conducts the hand block printing workshop for the Cape Townians. So that means she has the knowledge of this hand block printing, and she tried to bring that, the uniqueness into Cape Town, where Cape Townians also can learn that from that workshop, and even they can buy products from the shop. So that's the reason I'm walking towards that shop now, and I'm going to cover in this video the entire workshop, like how the block printings are happening, what are the details of that. So stay tuned in this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button of the channel. Let's continue the journey.
We are doing the hand block printing workshop. Hand block printing is the oldest textile forms, and it originated in China, but then it comes from Silk Route to India almost 2000 years ago. And during 12th century, during Mughal Empire, it actually flourished. And you can see the different block print patterns that is all inspired by nature. So they are the Mughal patterns, the floral patterns, geometric patterns. So it can show the India's association with nature. Hand block printing, it's all done by hand, and they are the artisans. It's passed down through generations, and the artisans, they carve the wooden block with hand, then they dip it in the organic dye, and then they do it with hands. So it's very labor-extensive technique, and everything is done by hand. So in fast fashion industry, hand block printing, it inspires you, it teaches you to slow down a little bit. And it's not just a fashion or a textile, it's actually a tradition that is passed down through generation. It's a culture, it's heritage. And I would say during this Heritage Month of South Africa, we are actually doing the block printing. That is again a kind of heritage for Indian craftsmanship. This is our creative table, what we called it. So today we are having a block printing workshop, and I set up the table. We have the tote bags, colors, blocks, everything is ready. And this is our another block printing workshop, and I just welcome all my participants to come here. So hey Kathy, we just gonna wear this apron, foldable apron. I'm gonna help you. I'm just gonna give you some glimpse or just gonna tell you the history, what it is block printing all about. Block printing is teaching you the first thing like imperfection. Nothing is perfect in this life. Everything is imperfect. So just embrace those imperfections. Can you see some kind of imperfections here? At the bottom. And this is done by professionals. But still you can see these kind of imperfections because it's handmade. So handmade things you're not gonna get, like one mold is actually making, and it is done by printing, mass printing. It's not the mass printing, so it's done by hands, and each individual is doing it differently. So that's the beauty of hand block printing. So for the next 2 hours, I would tell you just on this time, just on this table, everything is yours. And in this fast fashion industry, just slow it down, take it slow, and enjoy the process. And another thing, if there is something wrong, if something is not printing nicely, it's okay. We are not perfect. Our painting is not perfect. So it's all fine. If you are not going, it's not aligned properly, if the color is not coming out nicely, it's all fine. So just enjoy the process, take it slow. It's all about enjoying this process and learning and appreciating the art and respect the artist. That's why I actually started this block printing. So everybody should understand how it is done, how much time and effort actually being paid off and invested in making any kind of tablecloth or the quilt, everything. Take your bag. On the paper, the color will not gonna absorb.
Yeah.
But on fabric, it will
so
gonna
it'll be
dry up
lighter.
easily. So this is olive green, this is green, this is violet, blue, red, orange, all made by myself. Use as much as you can. Mustn't go in the gaps. But as you're gonna go, the color will gonna go into the gaps. I'm here to clean up the block. We just dab it.
And they last forever.
And now you gotta put it on. Put even pressure everywhere. Now I'm just gonna show you another trick of using 2 colors. There, with a small sponge. And for petals,
Can you put?
yeah, you can actually play around.
It's like nature. It's like
So now it's 2 colors in one block that you
Yes.
can play around.
that's so sweet.
Now I miss India.
always press it hard.
Right side or any side?
You can use any side. He's almost done with the block.
Let's try. Good.
I think all good. It should be. Yes.
Man.
Wow.
So whenever you're doing any border, please try to make it below the stitches.
I'm sending this to my son.
Must your love.
Mom's love. So when he goes grocery shopping, he's got a bag made by me.
Oh, that's so sweet. Branded with Indicrafts.
No, for sure.
Everyone for coming and joining here. I don't know like how much you love it, but I love to host you all, and every time we have a different kind of a workshop, every time there is a different people, but every time I'm finding, I'm having extended family with each and every workshop, really. So I every time feel so positive, though it extends my work a little bit, but I'm feeling so positive, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Pooja, for a nice, beautiful hand block printing in your beautiful shop, colorful shop, Indicraft in Cape Town, in the Eden of the Bay. And really appreciate that you brought such a beautiful culture and art from India to here, and like skill transfer to the people of South African and basically Cape Townians. And I've seen the enjoyment in the entire video, and I hope the viewers also enjoyed. Anything you would like to tell about your Indicraft, some glimpse to the viewers?
First of all, thank you so much, Devi, for coming over here and covering us. And this store is, I would say, a glimpse of India, and especially Pink City inspired store. So as all the arches are there in Pink City, so we have also created this store as Pink City inspired. And why this is Pink City inspired store? Because we are focusing on hand block printing. So whatever we have, the fabric here, the quilt, tablecloth, it's all hand block printing. And Jaipur is a hub of hand block printing. And this is I would say my passion, and I'm just following my passion. So if you want to have a glimpse of India, and India is in on your travel destination bucket list, so and if you don't have that much money, just come and visit our store. It's shop 35 Eden on the Bay Mall, and the name is Indicrafts.
Viewers, if you're watching this video, kindly check my description, the details of the shop. If you wanted to learn the hand block printing, you can come here. And if you wanted to buy very specific products, which I've shown some glimpse of these products in my video, you can check out here. Thank you very much. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and don't forget to come to this shop Indicraft as per the description link I've shared, and as Pooja given all the details. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care and all the best for your business in the future.
Thank you so much. Thank you.